Hello everyone, welcome to Rajiasir Kitchen with me Rajiasir. Today's recipe is just a great simple chicken drumsticks recipe. It's fruitful and absolutely delicious. This is restaurant style chicken recipe. I've made it at home without oven. I'm using frying pan. It's wonderful recipe. I'm using chicken legs for this. So now let's get into the recipe. For this I bought about half kilo of chicken drumsticks. First I am going to marinate the chicken. In this marination is very important. To marinate the chicken I am going to add an ingredients. Starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon juice of lemon, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon corn flour. Then I am gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 3 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon of oil. I am gonna adding whole egg. Mix all of this well. Pour the marination on the chicken drumsticks. So marinate the chicken pieces. Make sure everything well coated. Let the marinated chicken sit for about 1 hour at the room temperature. After 1 hour I am taking frying pan and cook the marinated chicken. Keep the flame on low. Place all the pieces. Now I am adding remaining marination. After about 5 minutes, just turn the chicken pieces to the other side. Make sure cook this on medium-low flame. Cook the chicken drumsticks for about 15 minutes. Turn the chicken pieces at intervals. Wow, look at the chicken. Just flip the pieces. Also add remaining marination. Continue to cook the chicken pieces for another 10 minutes on low medium flame. All the flavors coated with chicken nicely. Cover the chicken for about 5 minutes on low flame. Chicken pieces are almost done here. I am taking all the chicken drumsticks and keep it aside. Now I am using another one pan and add about 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil. I am gonna add 1 onion and capsicum that I have cut in cube size. Saute it for about 3 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, I am adding 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Mix it well. Let's add the cooked chicken. Now I am going to add corn flour slurry that I have mixed the water to the 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix all of this well for about 3 minutes on low medium flame. The chicken is wonderfully caramelized. It's sticky and brownful outside. Absolutely delicious chicken drumstick is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe the Rajiasir Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you for keep on watching.